Now we learnt about the oxidation of primary alcohols, right? What they got converted into? They got converted into carboxylic acid. What are the reagents we use? It can be acidified KMnO4. If not, it is a Jones reagent. Now moving on for the secondary alcohol. Okay. So for the secondary alcohol, usually what is secondary alcohol? That is where the carbon atom having alcoholic group is directly attached to two more carbon atoms. So this is known as secondary alcohol, right? Now what happens, this secondary alcohol will undergo oxidation, okay? This secondary alcohol will undergo oxidation, and here the reagent which is used is chromic anhydride, okay? Chromic anhydride is the reagent which is used. So here again what should happen? Again oxidation means alpha hydrogen in this carbon. How many alpha hydrogens are there? Directly attached, 1. Alpha hydrogen is 1. Now cleavage of which and all takes place? OH and CH. Yeah. So now what do I write it? CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So what did I get? I got from the cleavage here alcohol is being converted into what? I got ketone group. Okay. Now if I have to do the further oxidation of that, is it possible? Further oxidation is not possible because there is no alpha hydrogen. Here alpha hydrogen was there, we could remove, but here there is no alpha hydrogen to cause addition of oxygen or anything else. So here the reaction stops. So usually at normal condition what happens? My secondary alcohol gets converted into ketone on oxidation. Now in case oxidation is possible, suppose we have to oxidize this ketone. When is this possible? It is possible only in drastic conditions. A drastic condition to what happens? My ketone group can be oxidized. What happens? Oxidation can take place only at drastic condition, where on oxidation what happens to my ketone group is it gets converted into carboxylic acid. Okay. Here when it forms carboxylic acid, there will be reduction in the number of carbon atoms. Okay. When ketone group undergoes oxidation at drastic condition, carboxylic acid will be produced with a less number of carbon atoms. Okay. Now moving on. Now moving on to the tertiary alcohol. You know that what is tertiary alcohol? When alcoholic group is attached to carbon atom contains 3 more carbon atoms. So this is known as tertiary alcohol, isn't it? This is known as tertiary alcohol. So suppose if I have to do the oxidation of this, what is happening? It is not possible because you see that there is no alpha hydrogen present. So usually the oxidation of tertiary alcohol is not possible. So under drastic condition, oxidation can take place. Okay. Under drastic condition, oxidation can take place. That is with acidified KMnO4 and elevated temperatures. What happens if it undergoes oxidation is cleavage of CC bond takes place. Carbon to carbon. First it forms ketone group. Then again on oxidation it forms mixture of acids, carboxylic acids with less number of carbon atom. Okay. Only in the drastic condition oxidation is possible, that is with acidified KMnO4 and elevated temperatures. What happens? My tertiary alcohol gets reduced to ketone, then mixture of carboxylic acid with less number of carbon atoms. Thank you, students.